So we took the 2021 Gauntlet Gray Street Glide down to Honeymoon Beach. You can see the sun there setting in the background. Looking really good. Christmas Day. You can see it's pretty crowded down here. Water on both sides. Well, let's talk about this bike here and some of the upgrades that I've done so far since I've had the bike. And it's mainly been around lighting. Here in the front, you can see we have the custom dynamic lower fairing lights. Those look really good. Then we have the custom dynamic LED turn signals. And we have the custom dynamic halo lights. I also bought the Harley passing lamp assembly. It already came with the daytime running lamp. You have the LED vent light, and this, I switched this out too to also be gloss black, so that looks a lot better. I also put the took off the chop engine guard and put on the regular size one so I can have lower fairings, which I like. Also over here, we did the lug nut covers. I did that too. I also installed the rear saddlebag guards. I also did the LED turn signals, the bag lamps. So you can see those over there. You have the LED bag lights. You have the LED bag lights, the LED rear turn signals. I also switched out the diamond cut tab exhaust for the slash cut. I just think that looks a lot better. I also did the Mustang seat with the backrest. It already came with the bib in the back. I also did the flush mount gas tank. I did that, and I think that's it so far. So I'm just gonna keep it all cosmetic. You can see all of the lights are basically smoked over here on the side, smoked bag blades, low profile bag blades. And all of the lights came from Custom Dynamics. So that's good. And I guess that's it. So that's all I wanted to show, was the upgrades that I've done to the bike so far. I'll probably take this reflector off of the front at some point. And oh, I did change the tri-bar light too. to an LED tribal light, and I'll probably take this reflector off too at some point. But other than that, that's it. So we just down here at the beach, chilling and relaxing. Oh, you know, I forgot about this. I did change this shift linkage. You know, it came with this little chrome bar, so I switched it out for black and chrome. Kind of goes with the jugs a little bit better. I guess that's it. Listen to the exhaust. I also did the Harley torque cam. So you do feel a little more power. You do feel a little more power with the torque cam. You do feel a little more power with the torque cam. And of course we got the 114 in there too. So really good. Alright, so that's it guys. Until the next time.